the 20 best kitchen appliances on Amazon you need in your life. With Prime Day coming up right around the corner this month, now is the perfect time to start bookmarking deals on kitchen appliances, essential cookware tools, and cool kitchen gadgets. Whether you're in the market for a new top-rated blender or an upgrade to your go-to coffee maker, Amazon is a treasure trove when it comes to must-have small kitchen appliances and gadgets. From grilling accessories and picnic essentials to major deals on cookware and food storage containers, Amazon has endless deals on essential kitchen appliances. We put together a short list of the best kitchen appliances you can buy on Amazon right now. So let's get cooking. 1. Instant Pot Duo 66-quart pressure cooker. With the ability to perform 7 different culinary tasks, including cooking rice, steaming, sauté, and making yogurt, the Instant Pot Duo 6-quart pressure cooker is basically the only kitchen appliance you'll ever need. 2. Ninja 4-quart air fryer. If you haven't jumped onto the air fryer train yet, it's about time you looked into purchasing one. With its wide temperature range, up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, a 4-quart non-stick basket, and crisper plate that can fit up to 2 pounds of French fries, and a multi-layer rack, this best-selling air fryer from Ninja is a must-have item. 3. Mr. Coffee 12-cup coffee maker. Compact, easy to use, and designed for making up to 12 cups of coffee at a time, this drip coffee maker from Mr. Coffee is a top seller and also happens to be one of our editor-approved favorite picks. 4. NutriBullet High-Speed Blender. Make morning smoothie prep and small batch blending faster and easier than ever before with the NutriBullet. This versatile 12-piece set makes quick work of blending, and it includes 2 types of blades, 3 personal-sized cups, matching to-go lids, and helpful recipe booklets. 5. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Step up your weekend brunch game with this cute, best-selling mini waffle maker from Dash. Beyond making perfect waffles in literally seconds, you can also make paninis, hash browns, or even pizzas in this bad boy. The non-stick surface means easy food release and quick cleanup, plus there are tons of fun hues to choose from, like mint, featured pink, red, or copper. 6. Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker. This Keurig K Classic coffee maker is incredibly user-friendly thanks to simple automatic button features, 3 different brew size options, and a large 48-ounce reservoir, which means you don't have to constantly refill the tank with fresh water. 7. Le Chateau Wine Decanter. This gorgeous wine decanter is simple, sleek, and makes an excellent housewarming gift. Let that wine breathe, baby. 8. Breville Compact Smart Oven. Toaster ovens are basically the unsung hero of the kitchen since they are so versatile and compact. This top-selling Breville Smart Oven is super intuitive with 8 easy-to-use cooking functions. 9. Instant Pot Duo Mini 3-quart pressure cooker. The Instant Pot Duo Mini is basically the only kitchen appliance you'll ever need. Plus, with its more compact 3-quart size, this pressure cooker won't take up too much countertop space. 10. KitchenAid 5-quart stand mixer. This 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer from KitchenAid is one of our favorite models from this household brand. We love the rich gold hue and versatility of this must-have kitchen appliance. 11. Krups Coffee Grinder with Scale. We tested a whole lot of coffee grinders, and we really liked this burr grinder with scale from Krups. Beyond being easy to use and relatively quiet, this burr grinder also has a large 14-ounce hopper that can fit and store an entire bag of coffee beans. 12. Keurig K Mini Coffee Maker. With its sleek design, incredibly small footprint, and easy-to-use design, this single-serve coffee maker from Keurig makes your daily grind much smoother. Great for college students or those with smaller kitchens, we recommend you jump on this deal, stat. 13. Takeyar Deluxe Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker. Tired of shelling out precious cash on iced coffee at your local coffee shop? Make your own delicious cold brew at home with this cold brew iced coffee maker from Takeyar. 14. Amazon Basics Stainless Steel Electric Hot Water Kettle. A hot water kettle is a time-saving kitchen appliance you'll be happy to have if, say, your gas ever shuts off unexpectedly, or your stove takes too dang long to heat up. 15. Cuisinart Classic 4-Slice Toaster. This 4-slice toaster from Cuisinart offers 2 separate heating mechanisms, so you can customize each person's toast based on personal preference. It also has 6 different levels of doneness to choose from, along with a slide-out crumb tray for easy cleanup. 16. Hamilton Beach Food Processor. A food processor is the unspoken workhorse of the kitchen since it can shred, slice, grind and pulverize pretty much any food item in seconds. This best-selling option from Hamilton Beach features 2 speeds, 450 watts of power, and a large 10-cup capacity bowl. 17. Cuisinart Ice Cream and Sorbet Maker. A 1.5 quart capacity is the perfect size for an at-home ice cream maker. It makes enough to feed the whole family, and then some, but not so much that your freezer will overflow. 18. Swiss porcelain tea mug with infuser and lid. A reliable to-go mug is a kitchen appliance must-have, and this insulated porcelain tea mug with infuser and lid checks all the boxes in terms of reliability and easy transport. 19. ISILER Pasta Machine. If you love pasta, you need this much-beloved pasta maker in your life. With 9 adjustable pasta firmness settings, this pasta maker has endless versatility. 20. 24-piece superior glass food storage container set. Everyone needs a proper matching food storage container set, and we recommend this 24-piece BPA-free plastic-free set from Amazon. Great for storing leftovers or bringing lunch into the office, this all-inclusive set is a kitchen appliance essential.